What are the potential side effects or risks associated with long-term selenium supplementation for prostate cancer prevention? In this video, we will explore the selenium supplementation and its potential role in prostate cancer prevention. What is selenium? Selenium is an essential trace mineral important for various bodily functions. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, and plays a vital role in immune system function, supporting the body's defense against infections and diseases. Selenium is also important for thyroid health, aiding in hormone metabolism and regulating thyroid function. Dietary sources rich in selenium include Brazil nuts, seafood, meat, and grains, making it accessible through a balanced diet. Adequate selenium intake ensures overall health and helps in the prevention of chronic illnesses by maintaining cellular integrity and boosting immunity. Benefits of selenium supplementation in prostate cancer. Number 10. Potential cancer prevention. Concern about developing prostate cancer. Research suggests that adequate selenium levels may reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer, particularly in men with low baseline selenium status. Selenium's role in DNA repair and antioxidant protection can help prevent the initial formation of cancer cells. Ensuring sufficient selenium intake through diet or supplements could be a proactive step in cancer prevention. You can monitor your selenium levels with regular checkups. Aim for moderate intake to avoid potential toxicity. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation leading to cancer. Selenium's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is a known risk factor for prostate cancer development and progression. By decreasing inflammation, selenium may create a less favorable environment for cancer cells to grow. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions or those at higher risk for prostate issues. Including selenium-rich foods in your diet can support overall prostate health. Consult with your healthcare provider about the appropriate supplementation dosage. Number 8. Antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress damages prostate cells. As a potent antioxidant, selenium helps neutralize free radicals, protecting your prostate cells from oxidative stress and damage. This antioxidant action is crucial in preventing cellular mutations that can lead to cancer. Ensuring your body has enough selenium can enhance its defense against harmful oxidative processes. You can boost your antioxidant intake through selenium supplements and a diet rich in selenium-containing foods. Regular antioxidant screening can help assess your needs. Number 7. Immune system support. Weak immune response to cancer cells. Selenium boosts your immune system, enhancing your body's ability to detect and destroy cancerous cells before they proliferate. A stronger immune system can better manage abnormal cell growth and maintain overall health. Including selenium in your regimen can fortify your immune defenses. Discuss with your healthcare provider about integrating selenium supplements into your immune-boosting strategy. Regular immune function tests can help monitor your progress. Number 6. DNA repair enhancement. Genetic mutations leading to cancer. Selenium aids in the repair of damaged DNA, reducing the chances of genetic mutations that can lead to cancer. This process is vital in maintaining the integrity of your genetic material and preventing cancerous transformations. Ensuring adequate selenium intake can support your body's natural repair mechanisms. You can improve your DNA repair capabilities with selenium-rich foods or supplements. Regular genetic testing can help identify potential risks. Number 5. Apoptosis promotion. Difficulty eliminating cancerous cells. Selenium can promote apoptosis, the programmed cell death of damaged or cancerous cells, helping to prevent the growth of tumors in your prostate. This process is crucial for eliminating cells that have become potentially harmful. Supporting apoptosis through selenium supplementation can be a valuable strategy in cancer prevention. You can discuss with your healthcare provider about the benefits of selenium in promoting cell health. Regular health screenings can help track your progress. Number 4. Reduction of PSA levels. Elevated PSA levels indicating cancer risk. Studies have shown that selenium supplementation can lower prostate-specific antigen, PSA levels, a marker used to screen for prostate cancer. Maintaining lower PSA levels can reduce the anxiety and risks associated with prostate health concerns. You can benefit from incorporating selenium into your diet or supplementation plan to manage PSA levels effectively. Regular PSA testing is essential for monitoring prostate health. Number 3. Inhibition of cancer. Cell growth. Uncontrolled growth of cancer cells. Selenium may inhibit the growth and proliferation of prostate cancer cells, potentially slowing down the progression of the disease. This inhibitory effect can be crucial for managing early-stage prostate cancer or preventing its onset. Ensuring you have adequate selenium levels can be a strategic approach to cancer management. Discuss with your healthcare provider the potential benefits of selenium in controlling cancer growth. Regular cancer screenings can help assess the effectiveness of your regimen. Number 2. Improved chemotherapy outcomes. Ineffective chemotherapy treatment. For those undergoing chemotherapy, selenium supplementation can enhance the effectiveness of treatment and reduce side effects, improving your overall quality of life. By supporting your body's resilience, selenium can make chemotherapy more tolerable and successful. You can consider selenium supplements as part of your chemotherapy support plan. And number 1. Enhanced overall health. General health deterioration. Beyond its specific benefits for prostate health, selenium supports overall health, including cardiovascular function and thyroid health, contributing to your general well-being. Maintaining optimal selenium levels can help you achieve a balanced and healthy lifestyle. You can enhance your overall health with a diet rich in selenium and appropriate supplementation. Natural sources of selenium. Number 5. Brazil nuts. Extremely high in selenium, with just 6 to 8 nuts providing over 100% of the daily requirement. However, they should be consumed in moderation to avoid selenium toxicity. Number 4. Seafood. Yellowfin tuna, halibut, sardines, oysters, clams, shrimp, and salmon are all excellent sources, providing 40 to 101 millionth of a gram per 3-ounce serving. Number 3. Meats. Ham, beef, pork, turkey, and chicken all contain decent amounts of selenium, ranging from 18 to 42 1/millionth of a gram per 3-ounce. Number 2. Dairy. Cottage cheese and eggs provide around 20 1/millionth of a gram of selenium per serving. Number 1. Grains. Enriched breeds, pastas, and cereals can provide 16 to 40 1/millionth of a gram of selenium per serving. Selenium is an essential trace mineral with significant potential benefits for prostate health and overall well-being. Selenium's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and DNA repair properties, along with its ability to enhance immune function and promote apoptosis, make it a valuable supplement to consider. However, it's crucial to maintain moderate intake to avoid toxicity and consult with healthcare providers for personalized advice. Regular health checkups and screenings can help monitor selenium levels and ensure optimal benefits. Don't forget to